have some fun with us right now? Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now?
Alright guys, only the fastest people can like this video and subscribe before Sprunki meets Gegagedigedagedago. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Lose yourself and get unbound. Sprunki, 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 go. Catch the vibe and let it flow. Mix it up and drop the beat. Feel the rhythm in your feet. With every drop and every bass, we're flying off to outer space. Unite the beats with every touch. Incredibox, it's not too much. Sprunki, 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 go. Catch the vibe and let it flow. Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Hello.
Thanks for watching! Leave a comment Gegagedigedagedago if you can sing it. See you in the next videos.